Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
Ya ayyuhal Muzzammil.
O you, the sleeping, enwrapped one.
Qumil layla illa qalila.
Stand up in prayer by night, all but a small part of it.
Nisfahu aw inqus minhu qalila.
Half of it, or reduce it a little.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا.
Or add to it a little, and recite the Quran slowly and distinctly.
إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا.
Behold, we shall cast upon you a weighty word.
إن ناشئة الليل هي أشد وطئا وأقوم قيلا.
Surely, getting up at night is the best means of subduing the self and is more suitable for uprightness in speech.
إن لك في النهار سبحا طويلا.
You are indeed much occupied during the day with the affairs of the world.
واذكر اسم ربك وتبتل إليه تبتيلا.
So remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to Him with exclusive devotion.
رب المشرق والمغرب لا إله إلا هو فاتخذه وكيلا.
He is the Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but He, so take Him alone for your guardian.
واصبر على ما يقولون واهجرهم هجرا جميلا.
And bear patiently the vain things they utter, and gracefully forsake them.
وذرني والمكذبين أولي النعمة ومهلهم قليلا.
Leave it to me to deal with the affluent ones who give the lie to the truth, and bear with them for a while.
إن لدينا أنكالا وجحيما.
We have heavy fetters and a blazing fire in store for them.
وطعاما ذا غصة وعذابا أليما.
And a food that chokes, and a grievous chastisement.
يوم ترجف الأرض والجبال وكانت الجبال كثيبا مهيلا.
They will come across all this on the day when the earth and the mountains shall tremble violently, and the mountains shall crumble into heaps of scattered sand.
إنا أرسلنا إليكم رسولا شاهدا عليكم كما أرسلنا إلى فرعون رسولا.
Surely we have sent to you a messenger as a witness over you, just as we had sent a messenger to Pharaoh.
فعصى فرعون الرسول فأخذناه أخذا وبيلا.
But Pharaoh disobeyed our messenger, so we seized him with a terrible seizing.
فكيف تتقون إن كفرتم يوما يجعل الولدان شيبا.
If you persist in disbelieving, how will you guard yourself against the woe of the day that will turn children gray-haired?
السماء منفطر به كان وعده مفعولا.
The day whose severity shall cause the heaven to split asunder, Allah's promise is ever bound to be fulfilled.
إن هذه تذكرة فمن شاء اتخذ إلى ربه سبيلا.
Indeed, this is nothing but a good counsel, so let him who will take away leading to his Lord.
إن ربك يعلم أنك تقوم أدنى من ثلثي الليل ونصفه وثلثه وطائفة من الذين معك والله يقدر الليل والنهار علم أن لن تحصوه فتاب عليكم فاقرؤوا ما تيسر من القرآن علم أن سيكون منكم مرضى وآخرون يضربون في الأرض يبتغون من فضل الله وآخرون يقاتلون في سبيل الله فاقرؤوا ما تيسر منه وأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأقرضوا الله قرضا حسنا وما تقدموا لأنفسكم من خير تجدوه عند الله هو خيرا وأعظم أجرا واستغفروا الله إن الله غفور رحيم.
O Prophet, your Lord knows that you sometimes stand up in prayer nearly 2/3 of the night, and sometimes half, or 1/3 of it, and so does a party of those with you. Allah measures the night and the day. He knows that you cannot keep an accurate count of it, so He has shown mercy to you. So now recite as much of the Quran as you can. He knows that there are among you those who are sick and others who are journeying in the land in quest of Allah's bounty, and still others who are fighting in the cause of Allah. So recite as much of the Quran as you easily can, and establish prayer, and pay zakah, and give Allah a goodly loan. Whatever good you send forth for yourselves, you shall find it with Allah. That is better, and its reward is greater. And ask for Allah's forgiveness. Surely He is most forgiving, most compassionate.